Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the best ideas for turning your house into a home. Today we are diving into a topic that brings life, color, and freshness to any space. Decorating your home interior with plants. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or spacious house, plants can make a huge difference in the look and feel of your home. So let's explore some simple and beautiful ways to decorate your space with plants. When it comes to decorating with plants, the options are endless, but choosing the right plants is key to creating a harmonious space. Start with low maintenance plants like succulents, snake plants, or pothos. These plants are not only easy to care for but also thrive in different light conditions. If you are new to plant care, these are perfect choice to get started. Now let's talk about placement. Where you put your plants can make all the difference. A good rule of thumb is to mix and match different heights and sizes to create layers of greenery. For example, place a tall fiddle leaf fig in the corner to draw the eye upward and complement it with the smaller plants on shelves or side tables. The pots and plant stands you choose can also enhance your decor. Go for ceramic pots for a rustic look or sleek minimalist pots for a modern vibe. Mixing different textures and colors of pots can add personality and charm to your space. Plant stands, especially those in metal or wood, can elevate your plants literally and make them a focal point in the room.